Hello everyone, I'm Dalgona. In here, I will share a recipe how to make dalgona. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons matcha powder, 3 tablespoons white sugar, 1 glass boiled water, and 1 glass white milk, and ice cube. Okay, how to make? First, put all ingredients expert milk into the mixer. Then, using a mixer for 2 until 3 minutes at medium speed.
After expanding like this, the stick is done.
After the dalgona is done, fold in the ice cubes into the milk. After that, we pour dalgona into the milk and slowly and down.
And finally,
That's all simple recipe how to make dalgona from me. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.